welcome back to my channel, Will's Kitchen Table. Welcome to all the new subscribers. Thumbs up to you guys. Thanks for the support. Today guys, I'm gonna be making some shrimp fritters, guys. Love shrimp. The shrimp that I'm using, guys, is cooked. Should have been using raw shrimp, but I picked up the wrong package a while back, so I had it in my freezer. I decided to use it up, thaw it out, and gonna make some shrimp fritters, guys. So we're gonna jump right in and get this going, guys. I'm gonna show you all the spices and stuff I'm putting inside. It's pretty simple. It's not too much spices, guys. It's really quick and easy. So let's jump right in. So guys, I got a cup and a half of flour right here. All right, and I got 2 eggs. And the shrimp is roughly about 2 cups, guys. And I got 2 tablespoons of butter here, melted. Teaspoon of salt. And I got half a teaspoon of onion powder, half garlic powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of oregano. Alright, and I got a quarter of a teaspoon of cayenne, guys. Putting a little bit of cayenne in there. I'm gonna throw this right in the flour here. Get a bit of it out, guys. Need a little bit of spice in there, right? And put in my teaspoon of salt now. Just gonna mix all this stuff here in the flour. Guys, you can double up the recipe if you want to make more. Green onions already washed, guys. Got about 2 stalks here. Just gonna chop this up really small slices. You guys see how thinly I'm cutting it. You gotta make your knife sharp, guys, to get this nice thin cut. It's better when your knife is sharp, you don't cut yourself. It goes through whatever you're cutting easier. It doesn't slip. Using a dull knife, you can get cut. So that's my 2 stalks of green onions there, guys. I'm just going to throw them right in the flour there. Alright. My 2 eggs there. And then my cup and a half of water, guys. Get this knife out of the way. Knife is danger. Alright. Let's do this, guys. Cup and a half of water going right in the flour here. I'm just gonna mix this together. Good. I pour in the butter. So again, guys, that's 2 tablespoons of butter, and you want to use unsalted because you add salt to the flour. So try to use unsalted butter, unless you love salt and you want to, salt it up. Well, you can salt it up, But eggs. It's my 2 eggs. In. Guys, time for the shrimp. Guys, I chopped the shrimp in just cubes so you can actually taste the shrimp. You don't want to mush it so it's a nice cubes here, guys. Just gonna mix this all together. Guys, this is ready for the stovetop. Look at that. Guys, if you want a little bit of color in it, you can add some tomatoes. You just want to take the inside out, so it's not too much water in there. Dice it up, throw it in. All right, you get some color, or you could use some bell pepper, guys. Should show you guys that. Let's put a piece of that inside there, guys. Let's put a small piece in just for some color. Guys, I'm gonna cut this really small. Small, guys. Nice. So guys, we're just gonna throw this in for some color. There we go. Just mix that in. It's ready to go. Guys, we're gonna get the pot ready, all right? Light that stove. So you can use vegetable oil, guys. Oil of your preference, whatever oil you like, you can use. So we're gonna get it up to about 350, guys, and we're gonna add this right inside, all right? Guys, so this is the last batch coming out right now. Okay, guys, that's what I get out of it. So we're just gonna plate these up, shut off my stove, and we're gonna enjoy some shrimp fritters. All right, guys, let's get a plate and we plate it up. Okay, guys, this is the finished product right here. That's what it looks like. This is my shrimp fritter, guys, with the pineapple sweet chili sauce right there. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Looking lovely. Guys, that's what we talk about. We turn it up, all right? And guys, I'm gonna try. There's one over here. I'm gonna try it. I'm just gonna dip it right in. Look at that, guys. Look at all that goodness on there. See that? Okay, guys, I'm trying one. Wow. Guys, this is so good with the sweet chili. Whoa. Take a look at it, guys. You can see the shrimp inside. It's still nice and juicy. You guys see that? Guys, this is nothing but the best. Wow. Guys, you guys gotta try this out at home and let me know it worked out for you guys. I'll drop the recipe in the description. Guys, thanks for watching again. Like, share this video. Thumbs up, comment. Peace out.